Good morning class. Today I want to describe about number system for class 9th exercise 1.6 question number 2nd part 2nd. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. Today I want to describe about exponents and base. Clear? Firstly I want to describe about exponents because you can ask question to me what is exponents. Clear? Firstly I want to describe about four laws of exponents. First law of exponent is a power m multiply a power n equal to a power m plus n. It is clear? First law of exponent is a power m multiply a power n equal to a power m plus n. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Second law of exponents, a power m divide a power n equal to a power m minus n. It is second law of exponents. It is easy. Very good. Third law of exponents, a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. Third law of exponent is a power m whole power m equal to a power mn. It is clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Fourth law of exponents, a power m multiply b power m equal to ab power m. Fourth law of exponent is a power m multiply b power m equal to ab power m. It is clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Four laws of exponent is clear? Very good. It is very easy. You can solve any question by the help of four laws of exponents. So you learned four laws of exponents. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. I want to describe about exponents and base. Clear? 4 power 5 means multiplication of 4 5 times, as 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. It is clear? 5 is exponents, 4 is base. No confusion about it. 2 power 3 means multiplication of 2 3 times, as 2 multiply 2 multiply. Here 3 is exponents and 2 is base. It is clear? 7 power 5. 5 is exponents and 7 is base. You can write it as 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 till 5 times. Clear? No confusion about it. It is very easy. You can solve your question by help of 4 laws of exponents. Clear? See the board. NCERT number system class 9 exercise 1.6 question number 2. Find 32 power 2 by 5. It is your question. Question is clear. Find the value of 32 power 2 by 5. Here 2 by 5 is exponent and 32 is base. It is clear? So you factorize 32. Clear? 32 divided by 2 you find 16. 16 divided by 2 you find 8. 8 divided by 2 you find 4. 4 divided by 2 you find 2. 2 divided by 2 you find 1. It is factor of 32. It means 32 equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 till 5 times. It means 2 power 5. Clear? 32 means 2 power 5 because here 2 is 5 times. No confusion about it. It is very easy. Very good. See the board. 32 power 2 by 5 equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 whole power 2 by 5. Here 2 is 5 times because here 2 is 5 times. You can write it as 2 power 5 whole power 2 by 5. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. It is according to third law of exponents. A power m whole power n equal to a power mn. Clear? It is according to third law of exponents. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is easy. Very good. Equal to 2 power 5 multiply 2 power 2 by 5. Cut 5 and 5. It become 2 power 2. Means 2 multiply 2 equal to 4. 4 is your answer. It means 32 power 2 by 5 equal to 4. You find your answer very easily by the help of third law of exponents. So you learn 4 laws of exponents and you can find any solutions of any questions by the help of 4 laws of exponents. Clear? It is easy. Exponents and base is easy. Very good. Okay.